So we are here in Birdhill service station near Limerick. Applegreen has just installed two chargers. So those two chargers are both DC, no AC, and they are both with CCS and Chademo. Applegreen is rolling out a network of chargers in their petrol stations, and at the moment it's free of charge. So we just plugged in this charger here, so now we can press the start button. The charge will start. This is the battery level of the car, and here on the left you can see you can switch between maximum or 80% charge. So now you can see here you've got the meter in kilowatt hours, so we know what's been into the battery, and this is just 1 minute since we started the charge. And then simply to stop the charge we just have to press this button, and then we can plug the car back.